Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's today? I always never know the date. So it's the week after I came back from Seattle. I will go back to Seattle. Like, I never thought that that would be a state that I would enjoy or want to go to, but they have a lot. They actually have a lot of things to do out there. But yeah, the Beyonce concert. That concert was. Listen, I'm gonna be the first to say I'm not no major Beyonce fan. I'm a Destiny's Child fan, but a Beyonce fan, I'm not gonna cap like, oh, I'm a big Beyonce fan, because I'm not. There's some songs that she sings that I freaking love. Let's start off the concert with, I'm not saying nothing. Y'all just got to wait for the vlog. But my favorite song, oh my god, I was like, is this real? Am I here right now? Like, what? I'm actually hearing Beyonce sing that's my favorite song from her. Like, I know she have a lot of hit songs, but that's my favorite song from her. That concert was lit. Like, I enjoyed every bit of it. Like, the visuals and everything, like how the stage was set up, everything was just, I think I saw somebody posted like that. Somebody posted that said, the guy that's in Sisters, the light skin guy that's in Sisters, he said his wife dragged him to the concert and he didn't want to go. Just like me, I didn't care to go. But he said when he went, like, that's when he found out he was a Beyonce fan, and me too. Cause let me tell you something, them songs that my sister gave to me 3 weeks prior to the concert, I liked a lot of them, and like I learned them within that 3 weeks. So it was lit. Like, I had fun. We had fun. Like, we went for her 30th birthday. If I didn't say that, like, we went for her 30th birthday. I just felt like that was a perfect gift for her. I don't know a bigger Beyonce fan. And I had my dad help, my brothers help, and some of her friends, like, in the sense of like knowing like her plans or whatever. But yeah, it was fun. We had fun in Seattle. But people for some reason people feel like I paid crazy money for Beyonce. Yeah. Depending on the states, I feel like with the Beyonce concert, depending on the states and the seats, that's like the price goes, like the price varies. So of course New York, I was not paying for New York. Like, I was not. No. Because I always said I'm not paying no crazy money to go to see Beyonce. I've always said that. But that concert was, I enjoyed it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed the concert. So yeah, I'm back home now, obviously, and it's fall season, and I want to try a bunch of fall pumpkin spice flavored stuff, like from everywhere: McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, everywhere. I want to try everything I could try. I'm about to head out, and now I'm gonna see you guys wherever I end up, whichever fast food place I end up. I'll see you guys there. Hit that subscribe button, like, and of course comment. We're in Wendy's, guys. We're going to Wendy's. So I got the Frosty. Here's the pumpkin spice Frosty. I got a small because I don't know if I'm gonna like it, so I got a small. I got the pumpkin spice Frosty, so I'm gonna try it now and see how it tastes. It's different milkshake vibes, so hopefully it tastes good. It's a bit thick. It's so thick. But it tastes good. You definitely get pumpkin spice in here. It tastes really, really good. Yo, I'm embarrassed. Matter of fact, no, because that's how you know I don't eat Wendy's. But I'm over here like, why is it not going through the straw? But I should have known it's a Frosty, and I should be eating it. It's ice cream. I should eat it with a spoon. But I'm here trying to get it through with the freaking straw. Like, act like y'all ain't see that part, okay? Just act like y'all ain't see that part. Definitely taste the pumpkin spice. Definitely.
It's better with a spoon, huh?
About to get out of here. Like I said, I'm going to be trying other pumpkin spice flavored stuff from other fast food restaurants. So I will see y'all another day. Just got home. I have some packages to unbox. So that's what I'm about to get into right now. It's about, what time is it? 7 o'clock. So yeah, I'm about to unbox those. I don't think I say this enough. Or maybe I do, but whatever. I hate the fact that it gets dark so freaking early. Like, why? Like, I don't like that. Can we? Just a little unboxing. And I have this package and I forgot to unbox. So I'm gonna start with that one because it's late. I think couple vlogs down. Yeah, I ordered a Telfar bag, and the color and the name was just different. So this is the package came. I love that Telfar don't make it, like, they don't make it known that it's a Telfar, whatever. I like the fact that they don't make it known that it's from them. Like, yeah, struggling to open this box, shop. Yeah, so the color is funny to me because us Caribbeans, it's something that we eat. And it is so funny, like, what? And the color is called corned beef. If you know, you know. The color is called corned beef, and it's so pretty. This is like such a pretty color. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is such a pretty pink. But yeah, this is a bag that I ordered with my $100 credit that I got from Telfar, because when I ordered it, the very first time when I ordered Telfar, I got mine so late, and they sent me a $100 credit, so I really paid like $60 for this. $50 and change, tax and shipping and all that made it like 60 and change. So yeah, myself easy. I like the fact that it's called corned beef, so that's why I ordered it. And yeah, it's crazy because I saw some sneakers that goes with it. I'm like, I have to get those. I'm definitely getting those sneakers. So yeah, that's one. It's just a little unboxing. It's not much stuff. The next thing I have is these teacups, these clear see-through teacups. I feel like these are really cute. I got these on Amazon, of course. So this is how they are. Check them out. Ooh, look at them. Let's get into it. Let's get into the details. I love these. I was like, ooh, I didn't look no further once I saw these. They got the whole octagon vibe going with the lines, with the gold handle. And it's not heavy, it's really lightweight. And let's hopefully hopefully it doesn't break easy. But yeah, I like them. Since it's fall, you know, trying to go with the aesthetics or whatever. I got this. Is this some glasses? So this is how they are. So I like the fact that it has a bamboo lid. But yeah, this is how it is. I got 2 of them. I got it from Amazon. I will link them in the description below. But yeah, you know, it's what everybody's using now to make these drinks in. Not too big, not too small. It's like a medium size, so it's perfect. Perfect. So yeah. The last thing I have is the milk frother. Yeah, so this is a milk frother. So it is. Press this down and it brushes up your milk. Yeah, I can't wait to use it. But I was like, yeah, I need one of these, because you know it's fall season and everybody making a pumpkin spice latte and all that stuff. Yeah, that's it for this little unboxing. My little therapy session is over. It's Saturday. Yeah, so it's the week before my trip to Jamaica. I can't wait. Bittersweet. It's a bittersweet trip because it's my mommy's birthday. Can I zoom in? I can't zoom in? Okay. It's my mommy's birthday, so that's why I'm going. I'm still gonna enjoy myself while I'm there, but I'm definitely not gonna forget why I'm there. Mentally, I'm ready. Right now, I'm okay. The music is definitely my therapy. I'm definitely trying to, like, you know, it's like when I'm home, not doing anything, I have nothing to do. This is what I do. Like, music is on and I'm dancing and vibing myself. But today's Saturday and I am going to and I'm going outside to try the pumpkin spice flavored stuff. I'm not really a Starbucks girly, but I'm gonna try the Starbucks one. It's not really Starbucks by me. Oh yeah, in Target. I have to go to Target for that. keep watching the video, you'll see what is done today, what is not. But whatever's not done today will be coming up in the vlog, so keep watching, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. It's definitely fall season. Y'all hear that wind? But I'm about to go to beauty supply store real quick before I go get my Starbies. I'm in the middle of packing for my trip, so I need to go get some beauty products and hair products. I love this hair. When you can do your own hair, you don't gotta sit in salon and pay unnecessary money. That's a flex. Okay, see y'all when I get there. A little bit of necessities that I needed.
You're trying this look, it looks so weird. I haven't put on braids in so long.
Okay, y'all. So I didn't buy any of those wigs because it was closing and I didn't really have much time to decide what I wanted to, if I wanted to get one of them. But then the lady was like, oh, the braided one, she wouldn't get that color because it doesn't do much for my face because it's my same complexion. But that's why I like it, because it's my complexion. I always love that color, the honey blonde. So anyways, I'm about to go to Starbucks. Hopefully they're still open. I'm walking to Target right now. We're in Target. We're in Target.
This shit was all I knew. You and me only. I did it all for you. Still you were.
So I'm about to. I need to swirl this. I'm finally about to try it now.
Oh my God!
Yo, this tastes so good. I've never had it from Starbucks, but this tastes good. This did not disappoint at all. Like, I taste everything in this. This drink did not disappoint. 10 out of 10. I feel like I could finish this in one take if I keep drinking, so I'm not. But I'm glad I came and tried this. I'm not gonna try Dunkin' Donuts today. I'm gonna try it another day. So I'm about to go walk around in Target and see what else they got. So I'm about to go in montage mode.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I bought the clothes I'm wearing. I bought the rock I'm rocking. I bought, 'cause I depend on me. If I want it, just watch I'm wearing. I bought the house I live in. I bought the car I'm driving. I bought, I depend on me. I depend on me.
Little thing right here. Harvest cookies. Harvest. Oh, that's to make cookies. Not the pumpkin spice popcorn. I wonder how that tastes.
Rosemary.
The cinnamon latte and the hazelnut latte. And they definitely got the pumpkin spice. And look at two. And Dunkin' got it too. Pumpkin munchkin. Oh, this one I gotta go try. Look at pumpkins. These are pretty. They got white pumpkins too. Which one is $7.49? Oh, this one is more. So the colorful one is heirloom pumpkin. And then they have regular pumpkins to carve. Look how big them things are. They're mad big. They're bigger in person than on camera. Trust me, these things are huge. home, guys. I got some food. So let's see. I ordered 2. So we're gonna try the McDonald's pumpkin and cream pie. This is my first time having this pie. I've never had it before. I love apple pies, but I've never had this one. Okay, let's go. We're about to take it out. So I'm gonna break it. So this, I broke it. So I see the pumpkin and the cream. Oh my god, the cheese. The pumpkin and the cream together. It's actually good. It's actually really good. Like, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Reason being, I feel like for me, it's too much cream cheese. That tastes good. Okay, McDonald's. I see y'all. I bought 2, even though I wasn't sure I'm gonna like it, but I'm glad I bought 2 because now I like it. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Target. A little Target haul. I went into Target for Starbucks. And that's why I don't like going to Target. I don't regret what I bought. I'm just saying. Alright, so let me show you what I bought. First things first is so these are the pumpkin spice crisp cookies with the white chocolate chip. Yeah, I feel like these will be good because it has chocolate chip cookies in there, but it's a bit different for me too, so we'll see how it tastes. I'm gonna be completely honest, because if I don't like it, I don't like it. I'm not really a crisp cookie type of girl. I like my soft cookies, so we'll see how that goes. These are the pumpkin cheesecake sandwich cookies. I hope they're soft. I hope they're soft. So we'll see. I'm gonna try both of them during the week. Probably with my coworkers. I'm gonna try and let y'all know how they are. And they have some pumpkin popcorn, so I'm like, no, I don't think I would like that. I'm so tired. I'm tired. I'm just pumpkin spice out for the day. I can't eat no more of them pumpkin spice right now. So definitely during the week. Oh, let me show y'all what else I got from Target. I bought 2 shades. Yeah, so y'all saw early in the vlog, I was trying on shades. I bought 2 of them out of the ones that you saw me try on. So I bought these. I feel like these just look too good not to get. Come, look at me. Look at me. Styling and profiling, yeah? Of course. I love these. And they definitely go with my scarf. But I will not be wearing my scarf with this, so it doesn't matter. But these, I had to get them. Like, I love how I look in these. So I'm gonna get 2 because they're $15. $15. The next one I got, I love this one. I love this one. Like, my choices were pretty good. Yeah. I picked up some really cute shades for my trip. I have black shades and I have white shades, but I needed like these color shades. But yeah, I saw enough shades trying on. Yeah, so the last piece of item in this little haul here is my favorite piece. Like, that piece that I couldn't leave that in Target. It was only 2 left, and I see why. Some of y'all might not understand, but I'm sure some of y'all do. If you're a bag person, you get it. You definitely get it if you're a bag person. Look at this. This is so cute. Like, this is so freaking cute. Get into the details. It's a fur bag. I love the fact that the strap is gold. Then it has a flap right here, and here to open it, you just press to both sides. There's a flap in there. It's only a zipper. But I'm putting this up. Walking away in this Target bag. I don't want it to get dirty, nothing. Y'all will see when I step out with this bag. And it was only $30. that's it. But yeah, I love this bag. Love it. $30, so $60 spent in Target. But it's alright. You gotta treat yourself sometimes. Sometimes it's never planned. You just see something and you want it and you get it. Period. And just be grateful enough that you're blessed enough to do that. And I'm very grateful. That's it for my little Target haul. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Yeah, that's it for this portion of the vlog. I'll probably see y'all sometime during this week. Yeah, because I have to end this vlog during this week anyways, because I am going to Jamaica, like I said. So this vlog will definitely be ended this week, someday this week. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm about to try these cookies that I bought from Target. Me and my best friend and my other co-worker, we're gonna try these cookies and see if they taste good or which one we like better or whatever. So see y'all in the next clip. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, I have a special guest. Hey, Crystal.
Hey, y'all.
So we have the pumpkin cheesecake, and then we have the pumpkin spice crisp cookies with white chocolate chips. Right. So we're gonna see which one. So we're gonna see which one tastes better. I feel like I'm gonna like this one better.
Me too.
Yeah, because this looks soft,
Cheesecake.
right? You give me oatmeal vibes. All right, which one y'all try first? This one?
Yeah.
Save the best for last?
Yeah.
Okay, yo, we on a break. We're gonna have an hour break and just try to choose one. We're gonna do it real quick. Oh, it's all comes. And then, so we're gonna eat it. Oh, this looks good. Okay, it smells good.
I'm picky. I like it.
Cheers.
Oh.
I think it's a pumpkin. This reminds me of something.
It does.
I'm trying to pick it up.
It's not an oatmeal.
Right. Some people give oatmeal. So this one gives oatmeal. So I guess they both give oatmeal, right? But this is more the thicker version of oatmeal cookies. How is this one soft, y'all? I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I don't like it. You like it? Right, maybe the milk.
I'll give it an 8.
Or some water. Oh, you like it?
Milk.
Okay.
Love milk.
I was like, I like it. No. Maybe I'm tasting too much.
It melts after.
Oh, you gotta go dip it in and okay. Alright, it's not bad.
Yeah, look, the milk right there, right?
Yeah, then that's so just you go with this. Okay. So this one is the pumpkin cheesecake, which I don't like this one. I'm afraid it's soft, please. It didn't say nothing about being soft, but they look dumb.
They look hard.
They look hard. You know what cookies from back in the day? It's given those old time cookies. That's the name? Old time? Something like that? I'm thinking it's only damn.
Yeah, that's hard, y'all.
Damn.
This how you like it. I open it.
It's hard.
It's hard. I don't want to break it. No.
Oh, wait.
No.
This is rogue.
What's more hard than
Damn, I really thought it was more like these better.
I like it though. But it's hard. If it was soft, I'll be eating it.
And some milk.
It's good though.
It's good.
I like it.
I like this one better
Than that one.
It's probably because of the stuff inside the middle.
The cream, it's a
Cream
pumpkin
cheese,
cheesecake. So I guess, yeah, I'm just gonna.
I mean, that is hard. Look at them, my auntie.
I like it without the cream. I don't like the cream.
Really?
You like it?
But I like cream.
It definitely, on the box, it definitely make you think it was gonna be soft. And it they mad hard, like.
Now hard. Then they're trying to be special and put the cream on top of this.
And it says King Things.
I give it an 8.
I'm about to say a 9. It could be soft.
Right. That's why I said 8 because I feel like I thought it would be soft and that's what it gave, and it's not. So I
These
give it
salt
an
and vinegar chips.
8.
10 out of 10.
I just love soft cookies, so.
Fantastic.
Damn, these gonna
We
be.
ain't got no milk.
I'm gonna get the Kim away. Rebecca, they love them for snacks.
Oh, come on.
Well, that's it for this portion of the video, guys. I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip.
Bye.